today's era, computer has become a very important part of our life. And when you have efficient and effective skills of typing, then you are able to operate your computer swiftly. Okay, if you have good typing skills, then you can enter the data swiftly, easily into the computer and with the good accuracy. This will help you look smarter than others. Okay, because your way of handling the data will be much faster than others if you are good in your keyboarding or data entry skills. Which software you need to use? Rapid typing application. Okay, that is a tutor application that will help you or guide you to fasten up your speed. Okay, so let us start our session 1, basics of typing, touch typing actually. So touch typing, what is touch typing? Touch typing is a technique of typing using all the fingers and thumb of both the hands. Okay, and it's not like that you will not be using your thumb so much. You will use all your fingers and thumbs of both the hands equally on the keyboard to fasten up your speed. Okay, computer keyboard is just like your typewriter. Fine, and that was developed by Christopher, and in 1874 he discovered it, which and generally the keyboard key contains 104 keys generally, but it can go up to 107 also. Okay, this diagram you need to make. Why you need to make this diagram? Because you must be aware which key is lying where, what is the name of that particular key. Okay, so when you are clear about it, then only you will be able to make a good speed for typing without looking on the keyboard. Fine, they have given you all the keyboard symbols like A to Z, they will be called as alphabet keys. 0 to 9 they will be known as number keys. This is your window key. Okay, this is your menu key. Tab key, you know where is tab key, this is your tab key. Then caps lock key, shift key, there are two shift keys, one is here and one is here. Okay, control key, though there are two control keys, this one and this one. Fine, so you just need to go through this table once. If any name is not known to you, like this symbol is known as tilde symbol and this is known as back quote, or we can say left quote, or we can say open quote. Okay, whatever symbol name is not known to you that is present on the keyboard, you can see it and learn it. Okay, like this symbol you have never used, this is known as pipe or the vertical bar. Majorly this is used in the programming languages like C, C++. This is actually used to make a or symbol in the programming languages. Okay, backslash, this is forward slash. Any other symbol that you feel is not known to you should be taken care of. Okay, print screen, PRTSCR, where it is present here. Okay, so actually here तो आपको ध्यान देना बेटा where the symbols are lying, because if it is not known to you clearly, then you will not be able to make fast speed on your computer. Okay, now notebooks may whatever you are writing, you must add these two things also: indicators that show the light on the caps lock. Sometimes kya many every keyboard generally we see few lights are on sometimes, that to indicate you that these are working. Okay, like caps lock pe we have a light, num lock pe we have a light, scroll lock is there. Okay, so they use the lights to indicate their functionality. Numpad is basically required to turn that particular numlock key functionality on or off. Okay, here also again you will see lights. Okay, there are numbers that are present on the two areas, like numbers are present here also and numbers are present here also. Okay, if you're purely entering your numerical part, then you should go with these numbers, otherwise you can use these numbers also. Okay, This is your number pad, this is your number pad, this is your arrow keys, okay, and these are your scroll keys, these are your indicators, these are the function keys which are there to perform some special operations, okay. The escape keys also, there, caps lock keys here, fine. So let us move further. How to position your hand, I'll be continuing this part in our next video. Thank you.